Hi, it's Phil here, and I just have a quick message for fans and subscribers at Revive My Ride. I've been struggling with a health issue for about a year now, and it turns out that it's a leaking heart valve. Now, the good news is tomorrow I'm going in for heart surgery and they're going to repair it, and that'll get me back 100% again, because I've got slower and slower over the last year because it's been hard for me to work, and it's even been hard for me to edit video for an extended period. So I'm not going to be able to work on cars for a while, but I'm hopeful that after just a few weeks of convalescence, then I'm going to be able to start editing again. And as you can see behind me, I've got a new project car that I've been working on. I haven't revealed it on the channel yet, but it's an engine out and repair job, which I think a lot of you will find interesting. And then of course there's my other projects. So as soon as I can, I'll get my little Porsche 914 back in the garage and I can do a bit more work on the restoration. And you'll probably notice that my M135i's got some new wheels. These are steel wheels. I'll explain in detail why I've got these. And also I've got a lowering kit for it that hopefully I'll get to soon as well. So as you can see, I've got a few mechanical jobs waiting for me as soon as I feel able to do it. And like I said, I've got some footage stored up so that as soon as I can get to editing, then I can start bringing you new content. I just want to say thank you very much for all of the support I get on my channel, comments on the videos and thumbs up. I've got some regular viewers that comment on all of my new content, and I really appreciate that. You know, we're building a bit of a community, I think. But anyway, don't forget about me. I won't forget about you, and I look forward to bringing you some new content soon. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.